Hello, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you real quick how you can run Python code from dbt on Snowflake. The reason for wanting to run your Python code from dbt is that instead of running it as an island script off on its own server somewhere, it's integrated inside of all of your data pipelines so you can retain the full lineage, meaning you could have a bunch of SQL tables that a Python table then depends on, that further downstream SQL tables then depend on, and they all get refreshed in a coordinated fashion. So for this demo, we're going to do something pretty simple. We're just going to turn an orders table into a customer table. So this isn't a tutorial about Python, it's a tutorial about running Python code from dbt. All right, so first thing we want to do is define our model. So that takes two parameters, dbt and session. And so every Python model starts using this function. Then we want to do the dbt.config to set how it's materialized. And so I want to materialize this as a table. And I need to use the American spelling, not the British spelling. That won't run. Then the next thing we want to do is reference our table. So instead of using the Jinja notation with the curly braces, in Python you use dbt.ref function, and we're going to reference a table called orders. What that does is it returns a snowpark data frame, and so then you can run like snowpark Python against that. That requires you to convert all of your pandas code into snowpark, which is maybe laborious and unnecessary unless you're working on huge volumes of data. So if you just want to run pandas directly, what we can do is convert this. I meant to assign this to something called viewDF. So what we can do then is convert this viewDF to pandas. And from there, you can then run your code off of against the orders table. So run your code here. So I'm going to just do not loom. Let me grab my function over here. Just copy it in. So this is just some pandas code that groups orders by customer and sums the total price and then returns that as a data frame. So then our return value for this model function is going to be the customers table. And we'll go ahead and save this. And then now you'll see our lineage is updated. So we have the customers table depending on the orders table. I'll go ahead and run this model. That'll take a few seconds. And then it's going to appear in dbt, or in Snowflake rather, and from there we can query it as you would any other table. All right, so yeah, there. I mean that was from a previous run, but yeah, here's our customers table. It's got those two fields, customer ID and total price. So there you have it, running Python code on Snowflake from dbt. Thanks very much for watching.